Okay, Adobe Max sneaks. Let's see what you're all about.
This is Project Morpheus.
Project On Point.
Project Sunshine.
This is Project Artful Frames.
The same neural filters magic, but now applied to the entire videos.
Detects the pose of people in images and uses this as a search query.
Wouldn't it be great if you could turn them into living photos?
So is it GIF or GIF?
GIF makes the peanut butter, we make the GIFs.
Nerd alert.
Get out of your own head and go out there and be curious.
This can just be about making something for the love of it.
Artists and musicians share the whole idea of bringing people together.
The fact that I do almost the exact same thing, but the total opposite.
If we focus that energy in the right way, I think you're gonna have a whole new generation that changes things.
See you around. Take care.
Oh, that's definitely getting a like from me.